Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock, so if you have one like I do, as you will see right here, you can get rid of it without actually knowing it. So I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know my screen lock, and all I need to do to start is hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time, so I'm gonna do that right now. Let me just kind of orient my fingers so I can actually press both of them. There we go. And as you can see, it brings the boot mode right here. I'm gonna flip the device just sideways and still keep the volume keys visible because we need to use them to navigate. So volume, up navigates through them, which is kind of counterintuitive. So I'm gonna press volume up, and as you can see, it will slide down and then switch back up to the first one and again cycle through it. So select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it, which, like I said, a little bit counterintuitive. And as you can see, we should see the Android with no command. So to get past this, what you want to do is press or hold power key and press volume up once. So there we go, and we should be in recovery mode again. So I'm gonna flip it again. Now as you can see in here, we have a couple options. So you want to select the wipe data factory reset. So I'm gonna maybe turn off the light a little bit. There we go. So now it's a little bit better visible. So using volume keys, you want to scroll down. Now this time around you can use both keys to navigate up and down, as you can see. So doing that, you want to select this option, wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it with power key. And again select factory data reset, confirm it with power. Now at the bottom is where it's telling us that it's wiping data wipe complete, at which point you'll see the rest of the page again here, with reboot system now being selected by default. So again, let's press power key, and this will continue the process in the background now. So that will take a couple minutes to finish up, just be patient, and once it has, we will then be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.